Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine. Today we are going to start our chapter unit number 3, subject social studies, grade 5, and chapter name is the government and the law. In this chapter we will discuss about the democracy of Pakistan. Pakistan is a democracy. In Pakistan, elections are to be held every 5 years. In an election, those who want to help to rule the country have to get the support of people. There is a question because we are saying a word democracy. So what you know about democracy? Do you know anything about democracy? Democracy is a system of governance where people elect certain individual through voting who then rule for a certain number of fixed years. In Pakistan, in an election, those who want to help to rule the country have to get the support of people, and this is done by voting. Everyone over the age of 18 can vote in an election. Why is important to vote? You know, it is important to vote because it is one of the basic human rights. It empowers people to elect a representative to serve the people. Through voting, we elect members of the national and provincial assemblies. The federal government is then formed from among the members of National Assembly. The head of government is the prime minister. Through voting we elect members of national and provincial assemblies. Why do we have a federal government and provincial government? The federal government is a system made up of strong national government and smaller local governments. I'm repeating it. Be focused about it. The federal government is a system made up of a strong national government and smaller local government. This means that some areas of government are under the control of national government and some are under the control of the local governments. In large countries with diverse populations, the need of different regions vary greatly. You can see here the picture is National Assembly of Pakistan. It is okay. In sometimes happen that one party in the country may become too powerful in order to stay in power and govern all the times. It might make new rules. What would happen a democracy then? To stop this from happening, we have a constitution. We have a constitution. What is constitution? Constitution is a set of rules which everyone in the country must follow. It is difficult to change the constitutions. I am mentioning few rights of citizens of Pakistan here, which are constitutional rights of citizens. Number 1, any law that is inconsistent with the fundamental rights shall be made void. The life and liberty of every person shall be preserved except where required by law to the otherwise. Every person is entitled to a fair trial and due process. Next, slavery in any form, bonded labor, and child labor are prohibited. Protections against punishments, dignity of man, and privacy of harm can't be violated. Freedom of movement throughout the country. freedom to enter into a lawful occupation or to lawfully conduct business. Citizens have the right to access information regarding public matters, equal protection of law for all citizens, no discrimination in access to public places, preservation and promotion of languages. The president is the head of state. He has to see the country is being run accordingly to the rules of constitution. He has represent the country abroad as the head of state. Each province has a governor who makes sure that the provincial assembly is also following all the rules of the constitutions. That's it for today. We have learned about democracy and constitutions. See you again. Allah Hafiz.